Hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. April is National Garden Month, and there's no better way to celebrate than with a recipe that features the crispness of raw, fresh vegetables. This month's cookbook highlight is American Girl, Garden to Table, Fresh Recipes to Cook and Share by Weldon Owen of Insight Editions. Our recipe feature is Green Goddess Dip. For your ingredients, you will need plain Greek yogurt, arugula or watercress, fresh dill, green onion, sugar, salt, Tabasco, which is optional, and an assortment of raw veggies like carrots, radishes, cucumbers, and celery. Step 1. Combine the yogurt, arugula, dill, green onion, sugar, salt, and Tabasco sauce, if using in a food processor or blender. Step 2. Cover and process until smooth. Here's a tip to keep in mind. Your dip will be thin. If not serving right away, store in a container with a tight-fitting lid and let refrigerate to thicken. The dip will keep for 3 days. Step 3. When finished processing, stir well and pour dip into a small container. Serve on a platter with chosen assortment of cut raw veggies. All that's left to do is enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.